All right, we're going to go ahead and check in with Jenna Bourne, who's been in St. Pete all afternoon into the night. She's at the St. Pete Pier where she is seeing lots of wind and lots of water now.
I'm at the St. Pete Pier by Dock Fords, and I just checked in with 10 Tampa Bay meteorologist Natalie Ferrari, and what she told me matches exactly what the conditions are that we're seeing out here. Another heavy band of rain coming toward Pinellas County, and wind gusts really picking up at up to 40 miles an hour. Now, you just saw me get splashed a little bit by the waves coming up over the seawall. Totally different situation than what we saw last year for Hurricane Ian, where the water was receding away from that seawall right around this time. And so we're expecting a much wetter situation out here for this hurricane. We're going to keep an eye on the conditions and we'll keep you posted. Reporting in downtown St. Pete, Jenna Bourne and Tampa Bay.